Hello students. So now we have to discuss about the optimal solutions. Okay na? So how can we identify the optimal solutions by uh, by using the three methods we can identify the optimal solutions. So what are those methods? Means northwest corner rule method, um, matrix minima method, Vogels approximation method. So after identifying the transportation cost, then we have to identify the optimality test. Okay now. So this is the transpiration problem. Okay now. First, this is our problem is to identify the optimal solution of the following transpiration problem. Okay. So then this is the transpiration problem. So now we have to identify the IPBS, initial basic feasible solutions. How can we identify the initial basic feasible solution? By applying three methods, any of the three methods. Okay na? Northwest corner rule, okay, northwest corner rule, matrix minima method, Vogels approximation methods. So by using any of the three methods, we can identify the initial basic feasible solution. Now we have to apply the Vogels approximation methods. Yeah? So first we have, this is the matrix whether this is the transpiration problems. So first step is we have to identify the whether this problem transpiration problem balanced or unbalanced. Okay, so how can you identify the balance or unbalanced? Means by calculation of the total supply and total demand. Okay, now whether the total supply and total demand equal, then we can say it is a balanced transportation problem. Now calculate the total supply. 7 plus 9, 16. 16 plus 18, 34. Okay, here also 5 plus 18, 13. 13 plus 7, 20. 20 plus 14, 34. Here we got the 34. Okay na? Here we got the total supply equal to 34 and total demand equal to 34. Then we can say here we got the total supply and total demand equality. Then we can say it is a balanced transportation problems. So after getting the balanced transportation problem, then we have to identify the initial basic feasible solutions. Okay now? So okay, first one we are using the VAM method. Okay na? So for in the VAM method, first we have to identify the penalties. Okay na? How can we identify the penalty? Means by subtracting the minimum smallest element in each row and each columns. So first we have to move to the row sides. Okay now. So first row, which is the two minimum cost element, is a 19, 30, 50, 30. So 19 is there, 10 is there. So here is the minimum is the we have to deduct this 19 minus 10, 9 is there. Okay na. Next one is there, here is a 20, 70, 30, 40, 60. Minimum two elements 40 and 30 minus we got the 10 values. Next here is there 80, 40, 80, 70, 20 is there. Minimum two elements is there, 8 is there, here is 12 is there. Next these are 12 penalties. Okay na. So here is the penalties. Okay, from this column side, the minimum two elements 19, 70, 40, 40 and 90, 21 is there. Next one is the 30, 30, 80. So minimum two elements, you have to take 8 and 30. Means 22 is there. Okay. Next one is there. Coming to the double 3 column, 50, 40, 70. 50 minus 40, we got the 10 values. Here is a two elements, minimum two elements, 20 and 10. So 20 minus 10, 20 minus 10, 10 is there. So now we have calculated the penalties. Okay na, for each row and each column. Okay na, penalties we can calculate the smallest two elements in each row and each column. So next step is we have to identify this largest among the largest penalty elements. Okay, largest element among the penalties. Okay na, here is 9, 10, 12, 21, 22, 10, 10. Okay na, which is the largest penalty element? 22 is the largest element. Okay, penalty element. So you have to observe. So which element we got which column we got the largest penalty element? Double 3 element, double 2 row. So in this, under the double 2 row, double 2 column, which is the which is the smallest cost element? 8 is the smallest cost element. So be out. Okay, so next, so now we have to observe the demand side as well as the supply side. Okay now, so demand side is 8 is there, supply side is the 18 is there. So observing the both the supply side and demand side, 18 is there, 88 is there, which is the minimum? 8 is there. So that's why I am assigning 8 here. Okay na, I am detecting the 8 minus 8 because the 0 value. Here is the 8 minus 8, 18 minus 8, 10. Okay na, so that's why I am eliminating the W2 column. Here we got the 0. So next step is we have to again identify the penalties and ignore the W2 column. Okay na. So next penalty 2. For this is the first one, this is the second one. Okay, so this is the first one, this is the second penalty 1. Okay, so for this, so next 19 is there, 50 is there, 10 is there. 19 minus 10, 9 is there. Okay, next 70, 40, 60, 40 and 60, 20 is there. 60 minus 40. Next 40, 70, 20. So 40 minus 20, 20 is there. Okay, next is the 70, 19, 70, 40. 40 minus 19, 21 is there. Okay, ignore this one, already be eliminated this one. So next one is the 50, 40, 70. 50 minus 40, 10 is there. Next one, 10, 60, 20, 20 minus 10, 10 is there. Okay, which is the minimum? Next, this is the penalties for the second time. So identify the largest penalty element among the penalties. Okay na? 9, 20, 20, 10, 10, 21. So this is the largest penalty element. Okay na? This is the one. So we got this first, we got the largest penalty element with respect to the W1 column. So in this W1 column, which is the which is the smallest cost element? 19 is the smallest element. Okay na? Next, so observe the demand side as well as supply side. So demand side 5 is there and supply side is 7 is there. So which is the minimum? 5 is the minimum. That's why I am assigning the 5 here. Okay na? So 5 minus 5, we got the 0 value. Here is the same as we got the 2 value. Okay na? I am eliminating this 1. Okay, that's why we got the 0. So next here 2 is there. So next, so we have eliminated W1 column as well as W2 column. So next W3 is there, W4 is there. Okay, so next is the third penalty. Here is the third penalty. Okay na, so it is a bigger, again we have to identify the penalties. Okay na, ignore the W1 column and W2 column. So W3 and W4, 50 minus 10, 40 is there. Okay na, next is the 60 minus 40, 20 is there. Next 70 to 70 and 20, 70 minus 20 is 50 is there. Next one, so coming to this one, ignore, already we have eliminated, this one eliminated. Next is the 50 minus 40, 10 is there. Next 20 minus 10, 10 is there. So identify the largest penalty element in the penalty 3. Okay na, 40, 20, 50, 10, 10. So which is the largest penalty element? 50 is there. Okay na, 50 is there. And identify with respect to this element. So this side. Okay na, so this, so that is the F3 row. Okay na, so in the F3 row, which is the smallest element? W2. Okay, so observe the demand side and column side. Demand side is there, 14 is there, and supply side is the 18 side. Which is the minimum? 14 or 18. 14 is there. So I'm assigning 14 is there. Okay na? So after assigning this 14, then we have to deduct 14 minus 14. We got the 0. Here is there. Sorry, it is 10 is there. Sorry. Here 10 is there. Already we have 10 is there. Here is there. 14 is there. So we have to 10 is there. So 10. So 10 minus 10, 0 is there. 40 minus 4 is there. Okay now, because the 0 value, that's why I am assigning this one. I am eliminating the F3 row. Okay now, because the 0 is there, here is 4 is there. So I can be out to identify the penalties. Okay now, penalty 4. Here also 4 is there. Okay, so now identify the penalties for this matrix. Okay na, only left this element and this element and this element. Okay na, so penalties for this F1 row. So 50 minus 10, 50 minus 10, 40 is there. Next is the 60 minus 40, 20 is there. So this already we eliminated, no need. Here also eliminate, no need. Here also no need. Okay na. So next one, 50 minus 40, 10 is there. Here also 60 minus 10, 50 is there. Okay na. Which is the largest penalty element? 40, 20, 10, 50. 50 is there. Okay, 50 is there. So we got the double 2 column. Okay na, double 2 columns. So next is which is the smallest element? 10 or 60? 10 is there. Okay na. So here is observe the demand side and column side. Here we got the 2. Here is the 4 is there. So which is the minimum? 2 is there. Here we got the 0 value. Okay na. That's why here 4 is there. We got the 2. Okay na. I am eliminating 0, 1. Okay. So next is there. Here 2 is there, and 2 is there. Here is 9 is there.